German luxury sedans promise style and performance, but not all are worth your money in 2026. Some models look premium, yet hide costly problems, while others truly shine. Today we reveal the 3 worst to avoid and the 4 best to buy confidently. Before we begin, like the video and subscribe for honest car insights that help you choose smarter. 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class delivers exceptional levels of power, performance, comfort, and technology, firmly establishing it as one of the world's finest ultra-luxury sedans. Rather than chasing flashiness, it focuses on providing a calm, effortless driving experience. By smoothing out road imperfections and isolating occupants from the outside world, the ride is remarkably quiet, and the cabin feels like a high-tech sanctuary, setting the benchmark that other luxury sedans strive to match. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is a 5-seater sedan offered in 6 trim levels. The most popular version, the S580, starts at $131,850 and comes equipped with a 4.0-liter turbocharged V8 engine paired with all-wheel drive. Fuel economy is estimated at around 17 miles per gallon in the city. 2026 BMW 7 Series. The 2026 BMW 7 Series leans heavily into comfort, luxury, and technology-rich sophistication, while still retaining enough BMW driving character to keep the driver engaged. Whether cruising in near silence or tapping into its strong acceleration, it delivers an experience that feels genuinely special and refined. While it may not appeal to purists seeking razor-sharp handling, as a modern flagship luxury sedan, it succeeds exactly where it matters most, offering a serene, high-end driving and ownership experience. The BMW 7 Series is a 5-seater sedan offered in 4 trim levels. The most popular version, the 740i xDrive, starts at $103,475 and comes equipped with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine paired with all-wheel drive. 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class stands as the calm center of the luxury sedan world, prioritizing refinement, balance, and effortless comfort. It glides smoothly over rough pavement and delivers power in a relaxed, composed manner, while the cabin surrounds occupants with materials and design that feel thoughtfully chosen rather than overly styled. Its refined suspension tuning and polished driver assistance systems make long, highway journeys feel quiet, controlled, and stress-free, reinforcing the E-Class's reputation as a benchmark for everyday luxury. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a 5-seater sedan offered in 3 trim levels. The most popular version, the E350 sedan with rear-wheel drive, starts at $65,050 and is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine. Fuel economy is estimated at approximately 25 miles per gallon in the city. 2026 BMW 5 Series. The 2026 BMW 5 Series hasn't tried to reinvent itself, and that's exactly why it continues to work so well. BMW has refined its midsize luxury sedan formula by focusing on a smooth, composed ride, advanced technology, and just enough of its signature driving character to keep the experience engaging without feeling tiring. It now leans more toward comfort than outright sportiness, which proves to be a smart balance for everyday driving and long-distance cruising. The BMW 5 Series is a 5-seater sedan offered in 3 trim levels. The most popular version, the 530i with rear-wheel drive, starts at $61,075 and comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine. Fuel economy is estimated at around 28 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. 2025 Audi A6 e-tron. The 2025 Audi A6 e-tron is positioned as Audi's new electric executive sedan, but it comes across as more awkward than truly exciting. Its design borrows heavily from existing electric vehicles and doesn't present a clear advantage in range, efficiency, or overall innovation compared to key rivals, which makes its premium pricing harder to justify. As a result, it feels less distinctive than expected in a highly competitive luxury EV segment. The Audi A6 e-tron is a 5-seater electric sedan offered in 3 trim levels. The most popular version, the Premium Plus with rear-wheel drive, 2025 Audi A5 Sportback. The 2025 Audi A5 Sportback still looks sharp and offers a high-quality premium interior, but it's beginning to show its age and feels overdue for a full replacement. With the two-door coupe and cabriolet variants discontinued, the Sportback now stands as the sole body style, which makes the A5 lineup feel less complete than it once did. While it remains stylish and refined, it no longer feels as fresh or competitive as newer rivals in the segment. The Audi A5 is a 5-seater vehicle, offered in 6 trim levels. The most popular version, the Premium Plus Sportback 40 TFSI, 2026 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe. The 2026 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe stays true to BMW's driver-focused character, but it feels underwhelming when judged as a luxury sedan. Its compact footprint and nimble handling remain clear strengths. Yet those benefits come with notable compromises. Rear seat space is extremely limited, and the infotainment system feels dated and overly finicky compared to newer rivals. For buyers expecting modern luxury features or family-friendly practicality, the 2 Series Gran Coupe falls short and struggles to justify its place in the segment. The BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe is a 4-seater offered in 4 trim levels. The most popular version, the 230iX Drive, starts at $44,875 and comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine paired with all-wheel drive. Fuel economy is estimated at around 25 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway.